Guys, RC Era C138 Bell 206. Oh, yan. Demo flight. Yan dito sa bagong lugar na to. RC Era C138. So may bagong labas ngayon na RC Era C138. Ginawa nilang brushless motor. Mas maganda. Of course, brushless. Expensive, bit expensive. But mas maganda naman. Ako mukhang uulan. So mas malaki-laki to. RC Era C138. So medyo maganda. Yun, yung tulad na sinabi ko, may bagong labas ngayon yung brushless version nito. Okay. Konting lipad. Kung alam kung mga matagal na naka-stock to eh. Yan. Of course, up down para mabind. Yan, so bound na siya. No more blinking. This is a searchlight niya. So lipad na. It's flight time. So first rate, second 2 beeps. Yan, third rate. Second rate lang tayo. Tingnan natin kung may 1 key take off and landing. So gagamitin ko yung 1 key take off. Wow. Haha. Oh, parehas na kulay ng motor ko ha. Oh, RC Era C138. Ganda. Suabe. Aha. Oops, may slight breeze coming from my back. Very slight lang. I think hindi siya mararamdaman ni RC Era C138. Dumadagundong. Nun, first rate. Back to first rate ako. Yan, para suabe kasi wala naman masyadong hangin. There's no wind. So I can just use the first rate to the very smooth so that the flight will be very smooth and just a bit softer. Nice, oh, ang ganda. Huwag ka dyan, tubigan yan. Nice. Nice and smooth. RC Era C138 or the Bell 206. Red and white with some navy blue accent. Very nice. For channel. Nice. For channel RC helicopter. Yung ibang RC Era ngayon ay already capable of flying inverted inverted version sila, which is a very nice additional feature. Nice. Okay, may searchlight pa siya for orientation. And then sa kanyang tail may ilaw pa siya. Ayun, ang bilis mag-lowbat. Nagbiblink ka agad. Nagsisignal ka agad na low voltage na. Low voltage ka agad, nagbi-blink na. Ibibiling ka agad yung searchlight niya. So meaning low power na yung ano, battery niya. Okay, land. Land. Hindi siya nagland. Dito ka sa tapat ko magland. Alright. Lobot ka agad.